Okay, so let's give the answer of second thing, that is
Senses.
sorry.
So the answer is five senses. Which
Senses.
is grammatically, so you can we can what we see, what we eat, what we smell.
Yes, senses.
All those things.
See, senses we can have the innervation, but not control. There is a technique known as pratyahar, okay, in yoga, which is out of Ashtanga yoga. It's one of the yoga, pratyahar, okay, that is one anga of yoga that can be innervate, not controlled. So okay, thoughts, you cannot control thoughts. There is a technique to control thought, which I will tell you, okay, how to control thoughts, but you cannot control thoughts without that technique. Okay, at any given point of time, if the person is pitta pradhan or vata pradhan, he will at least have 3 thoughts in mind. At least, boss, pop-up aa gaya, this I have to deliver. Night there is a customer meeting. My kid is also crying. I don't know what I have to do. It's all tension. I don't know when I will get a promotion. All those thoughts are there. So at any given point, thoughts, to control thoughts, I'll tell you what to do. Definitely. Any other?
Voluntary motions?
Voluntary motion, very good. But which motion? Very near. Which motion? But it should be involuntary also, okay? Remember, what my question was? There is involuntary and voluntary. One thing you have told, that is breath.
Is it eye, blinking of eye?
Blinking of eye, very good answer, actually. Right? Blinking of eye. Okay. So, blinking of eye, partially it is controlled as well as involuntary. Right? Hiccups, they are only involuntary. The one more thing, that is basically Moola Bandha. When you are jumping from 16 feet in the swimming pool, Mool Bandha is automatically set. बोलते हैं, you say was लग गई, so Mool Bandha is automatically set. Try this. If you find that the car is coming with the speed of 80 km and your car is also with the speed of 80 km, there is no chance, even if you apply brake now, there is no chance that it won't get touched. Immediate contraction of your anal muscle occur. Immediate, automatic. You don't do Moola Bandha there, right? It is automatic Moola Bandha. And that is the reason, now coming to the very crux of it, that is the reason that Moola Bandha is a pran saving technique. That is automatically done. Pran saving technique. Pran enhancing technique. And second, because breath is automatic in night when you are sleeping, breath is actually voluntary when you are inhaling and exhaling during the day. These both the two are the doors of actually enhancing the pran. Now, how to enhance pran? By pranayam. What we do in pranayam, very simple. Pranayam does not mean kriya. Pranayam does not mean breathe in and breathe out. Pranayam means breathe in. Have a kumbhak, means press the air. Kumbhak means Mool Bandh, Jalandhar Bandh, Udyan Bandh. That causes Mahabandh. So it is actually you are pressing the air. You will say, oh, you are telling me pressing the air. Why don't you use compress air itself? Compress air won't work here. Right? It is basically compression of air which will push the air inside the cells. Push the air inside the cells. And it will actually increase the metabolism. But the responsible thing is that it's not oxygen. It is something else. But the door is this only. Yeah. You want to ask something, Vipin?
actually when we do the bandha along with kumbhak we need to do, or it is like you breathe out and then do the
If
bandha.
you breathe out, it is basically the bandha. The for example, it is a bahir kumbhak. When you breathe in, it is a antar kumbhak. Okay. So
Anta kumbhak.
yeah, so antar kumbhak gives you a capacity to push your oxygen, push your pran inside. Pran it will deliver, and carbon dioxide it will come out. So basically, pranayam, okay, bringing the pran, that is basically a kumbhak and holding it for a long time. No doubt about it that when you do any pranayam, you keep your kumbhak, you keep your metabolism, you keep the condition where you are expelling your air or exhaling your air, you are without oxygen. To keep our body without that oxygen, make the practice of that itself is a pranayama, because after that there is a huge breathing of air. You are making your body sensitive to oxygen along with pran, bringing oxygen inside, delivering a pran to the body and getting a carbon dioxide out. But that is possible only when you are actually accessing the door of voluntary involuntary controlled door, which is controlled by both the systems, which has the innervations of nerves of both the systems, right? So that is a pranayama. So it's very basic about Pranmaya Kosha. I have not touched even the real crux of the Pranmaya Kosha, but it is very important that we should know pran, correct? So we have seen the chakra, we have seen the nadi, we have seen what is pran, the concept of pran.
So finally, what we are trying to, like, how are we going to implement this on the 7 chakras and pranayama?
Correct. So you will find that 7 chakras, I told you that how these chakras are to be activated, right? Mostly you will find, for example, when you do Jai Pranayam, your Vishuddhi chakra is activated. When you do Bandha, okay, Mool Bandha, your Mooladhara chakra is activated. So there are Ashta Pranayam are there. With those Ashta Pranayam, your different chakras are activated. Okay. So there are mudras which also actually activate your pranayam, your chakras, correct? So these are to be done. So basically, this I would like to give you the theoretical portion of it. There are separate sessions for the pranayam itself, right? So pranayam activates, asanas activates, okay, and you will find that when it is activated, you will come to know it is activated.